Yaka, this employer wants to know, they've got an employee with long service but was found guilty of committing serious misconduct that warrants dismissal as per the disciplinary code, but they do not want to fire him.
Mm.
What should they do?
It's quite a difficult situation, and you can understand that an employer with long service is probably valuable to the employer, and that's why would not want to dismiss him. The problem is, though, if he does not dismiss him for the serious misconduct, he creates a precedent, which means going forward, if a different employee commits the same type of misconduct, then the employer might be bound to his previous decision not to dismiss this employee, and that might constitute an unfair dismissal if he then dismisses the second employee. Possibly there might be mitigation. The long service might be mitigating factors that you can take into account to try and justify as to why you deviated from your policy not to dismiss. But it will really depend on the circumstances. It's quite risky to do.
And the long service can also count as an aggravating factor in
Ab-
certain circumstances.
Absolutely. It can be argued that the fact that he's there for so long, he should have known better. So it's a quite difficult situation.
So it's more or less a balancing act whether you want to follow the disciplinary code to the T or rather deviate, but then you will have to follow it through going forward.
Correct. If you're not able to justify a deviation, you're bound to your decision on this employee.